So this is the screen I wanted to show you. There are so many ways. Uh, by choosing them, you can enter into the market. I feel I do have one perfect practice in which I am certainly investing or trading for a very long time. See, uh, uh, there was a setup I created few days back, and I just booked some profit also in this trade. The reason I use the concept of stop loss hunting. Let me show you here. This range, critical range. If you leave, just let's do one thing. We just remove each and everything from the chart, and from the very starting, we will be doing the same to create the support and resistance levels and all. So, first of all, uh, this is the line chart on the screen. That does mean there will be a closing rate whenever and wherever you just uh, keep your cursor, and the rate will be the closing rate for the day, right? So why I just chose the chart as of line chart, just because if big investments, I just see the closing rates, whether the price is going above the closing rate or the price is currently running below the previous closing rate. That helps me to decide whether to enter, whether to not. Okay, so just we just have some quick checks on that. Okay, this is the way we are putting the lines, the horizontal lines. These are the closing rates. Okay, so these are the closing rates. We will be putting some, doing exactly the same things. Okay, so here is also a support. And if I talk about the resistances, there are some resistance here as well, just like this. Okay, this is the resistance, and the second resistance is here. Here is the resistance as well. So there will be so many resistance, so many support as per the time frame you choose. As per my understanding, I have already plotted lines. Okay, so whether you have what here or here or here, whatever this is, the target must be this. Target is 170. It's 179.18. To be very close on the round figure, it would be. So here you could buy. How you could buy here? So we just check it that if this is not available to us. Okay, let's think that the market is going like this. The rate is around 150 of time. That would be the exact support rate, as we have already plotted the lines as well. Have been the support, right? Whether someone has purchased here or here or here or here, the stop losses will be below this rate, right? So 150, 1.44 is the rate as per closing rate. Okay, on the particular day, then all the stop losses would be placed below these. Okay, so if chart wanted to go up, means with a grab liquidity by uh, you know two things. First, whether there will be a market, the the persons who enter into the market rate, and they place the rate in the higher price, and there would be a large orders and it would go upside to here. First reason would be that, okay. But the second, the reason, there are some stop losses. So if I bought here and anywhere upside this, okay, so there would be my sell orders, right? Below this, there would be my sell orders as the stop loss, and the operators have to grab all the buy orders to go upside, okay. So there are sell orders, multiple sell orders, 1 to 10, 100,000, okay. Aggregately, the operator have already placed a single order or double orders here, okay. So what happened here, the stop losses were hunted, okay, and the market went like boom, this is the target, okay. And in between the ranges, you need not to enter because there would be an issue with the risk reward ratio. Suppose suppose you bought here, what would be your risk reward ratio? Let me check it out for you. Just a minute. Okay. So here, if you dare to enter, because nobody dare to buy on a lower price, because they think it will again go down, right? There are less persons who would dare to enter here. Okay. Maximum there are operators, right? And suppose you bought here. Okay. Suppose you bought here, there would be a stop loss for you, that is this, and this is the target for them, okay. So the risk reward is going around 1 is to 5.09. That is a decent one. But suppose you bought here, most of the people do the same mistake, that they enter after there is a breakout zone. Let's suppose this is the resistance, okay. So you try buying it upside this. Okay, the thing that matters is the rate. So let me show you. You bought it here, okay. After the breakout, you bought it here. So you just tell me what could be your SL. SL is the same. Risk reward is 1 is to 0.58. You are here to eat around 1,000 rupees, right? But you are going to give more than that, around 1,500 rupees. Okay. So for eating 58 paisa, you are okay to give 1 rupee. So this is a bad decision to take into. That's why you should not enter on any rate. The I have already placed the zones. You have to decide whether to buy, whether to sell at these levels. Okay, levels are very important, and here at the certain point of time, if the market goes here 179.62, the just a minute. See, these people who dare to enter here will exit it, right? So market can go down as well and can go upside as well. So we will decide here if market, if the target hits here, okay, and then market swings down low to this candle, then we will place a sell order here, and this. Okay, and the stop loss would be the high of this candle, above the high of this candle. So this is the better thinking to enter into the market. So basically, uh, these are the things that you need to understand. Let's understand about the Nifty for a minute. So this is Nifty. Okay, let me show you the same thing in Nifty as well. See what happened. So this would be the zone, the support zone. Okay, there must be a reason behind that, right? how I place the lines at this rate? The answer is very simple. You just click on the line, you would certainly see that. Okay. So whoever has bought here, or somewhere like there, they have the stop loss below this rate. Okay. So the market went here, and all the stop loss, and the market went like boom. Okay. Liquidity and pushed upside, and the targets are achieved. So in the particularly range, particularly the rate around 24 600, we have to be very cautious upside, and then it goes downside below this red candle. This will go upside, and then it comes down here and create a good candle. Then we would be entering again for upside, because this is the retesting kind of trade, right? One concept is very simple, that is the liquidity hunting concept. Okay. Liquidity hunting, there are certainly things that need to understand, that it's liquidity will be there on the just below the right. It can be inside the zone as well. These are being called as order blocks. Okay. So it can also go upside from the order block. Okay, but retesting, the concept, retesting concept is good enough. Okay, it will let you know whether you have to enter for which candle as well. So this is it. If you feel like you need to understand some basics or something like that, you can just comment me. I'll help you figuring out the basics. And this was just I was just testing whether I'm able to do the studio live or not. So this is working properly. So I'm thinking to come regularly, and we will be understanding the basics, the entry zones, the exit zones, the risk reward, the proper management. Okay, not only in equity, in also options, futures, hedging, bonds. Okay, debentures, and crypto as well, forex as well. Okay, the technicals were same, right? So currently I'm just closing it off. Okay, while we coming live, I'll be sharing a link